Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and today we're going to share about programming control and logic about Python. A program will normally run by executing the started commands one after another with the orders. So first, let's talk about a conditional execution and the if statement. And here is a simple example, and we can see here is x equal -3, and if x is bigger, 0, and print this, and if it's negative, it's not too big, it's 0, and can do this, and with else the value is 0, and x is -3, and we can get actually if x is smaller than 0, can print the value is negative, right? And if else, if, and else, and this is the formula we should remember. And another, the else if is optional, and because we can use empty and placeholder and active empty code blockers here, else here, and we else pass, we don't to pursue anything because it's a chain expression. It's not a, it's kind of things, and here is in, and we can get is done operation here. And very simple conditional check, if statement is single line at single expression, the result will be expression before the if, and condition true or the expression of the else otherwise. And you can see here, and x equal 11, and if x smaller than 10, then s equal yes, else no, and print s, and we can get it here, and can print x is no and no, and here can be written into one line because one line is okay. And comparison and truth with conditional execution of the question naturally arise as to which expression are deemed and be true or and which false. So with operator is equality and non-equality, and less than and equal and less than and greater than equal and greater than. And here with an x is bigger than or greater than 0, and x less than 10, and print this, and we can know this. Also leave or it's run in range B. Pretty easy, and some is note you get expected inconsistent result if a mistake is to compare reference equality to integer. And can A 5,500, B 500, and get rid of true and false. And the result, and another example with the list x, y, z, and we can consider the exact result of this, and x, y, z, and print it, and print the y equal x, and y is x, z equal x, z is x. You can get is true, false, true, true. And if the sum the links internal of the x or y, and or if or parent from the x, because z is parent from the x, we can know that links sum the number, and so the where x and y is sum, so we can know this. And in Python, if expression that don't involve it, so and the fast values none, false, 0, and here the expressions, and everything else deemed to be true in conditional context. For example, x equal empty string if x, and else if y, and we can see this. The x is empty, so we print. If not, is empty, so it is no. We can else print false. And y have something and so we could yes equal true. And here is this program counter and logic if the conditional execution and if statements and very popular and useful with the programs. And thank you for listening, and goodbye.